హాయ్ హలో ఎవ్రీబడి వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్ మనర్స్. ఈరోజు ఇంటర్వ్యూలో మన ముందు ఒక స్పెషల్ గెస్ట్ని అయితే మీ ముందుకు తీసుకురావడం జరిగింది. ఒక ఇంజనీర్ టు యాక్టర్, ఆయన లైఫ్లో జరిగిన ట్రాన్జిషన్ని ఆయన ఇప్పుడు ఒక యాక్టర్గా ఎంత బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తూ సినిమాలందరినీ మనకు అందిస్తున్నారంటే, ఆయన హోమ్ టౌన్ ముంబై అయినప్పటికీ, హిందీ మదర్ టంగ్ అయినప్పటికీ, ఆయన మాత్రం ఎందుకో ఆయన హోమ్ టౌన్ హైదరాబాద్గా మార్చుకొని తెలుగు చాలా బాగా నేర్చేసుకొని చాలా తొందరలోనే మన తెలుగు యాక్టర్గా టర్న్ అయిపోతున్నారు. అండ్ హీఈస్ నన్ అదర్ దెన్ మయాంక్ పరాగ్ గారు మనతో ఉన్నారు. మరి ఆయనతో మాట్లాడి ఇంకా చాలా విషయాలు తెలుసుకుందాం. లెట్స్ గో. హాయ్ బ్రో.
హాయ్ వినయ్, హౌ ఆర్ యు?
ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ నైస్ టు మీట్ యు.
సేమ్ హియర్. థాంక్యూ సో మచ్. అందరికీ నమస్కారం.
గ్రేట్.
నేను నేర్చుకుంటున్నాను తెలుగు.
yes.
అండ్ నేనే డబ్బింగ్ చేస్తున్నాను అండ్ ఆల్ ద క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఐ యామ్ డబ్బింగ్ ఫర్.
డెఫినెట్లీ మీ వాయిస్ మీకు చాలా చాలా ప్రో కదా బ్రో. చాలా బెనిఫిట్ అని చాలా మంది టెక్నీషియన్స్ ఫీల్ అవుతుంటారు. సో దట్స్ వై మీరు డబ్బింగ్ చెప్తేనే మీరు ఎంత రేషియస్గా అక్కడ పర్ఫామ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారో దాన్ని కొంచెం డబ్బింగ్లో కూడా కనబడాలి అని.
అవును అవును.
బట్ ఎంత టఫ్ ఉంటుంది తెలుగులోని డైలాగ్ చెప్పడానికి అవినా?
ఇట్స్ సో కమింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ నార్త్ ఇండియా, ఇట్స్ లిటిల్ డిఫికల్ట్ బికాస్ ఇన్ తెలుగు the language,
yes,
the tongue rolls a lot,
yes,
and in Hindi it's a little simpler while speaking. So that is there, but if you want to do, you can do, and I am doing it. I am a Marwadi boy,
yes,
from Rajasthan, but born and brought up in Chhattisgarh.
yes.
I am from Chhattisgarh. Right now I live in Mumbai. So I never knew that I will do Telugu films and I will dub for myself. So that I think it's a very, I'm enjoying the process. I've hired a tutor.
Wow.
For the first film I did, Wild Dog, there I've hired a tutor. She was a lawyer,
wow,
high court lawyer, and one-on-one she used to tell me, like this you should talk and all these things. And from there I picked up, wow, and then I have few friends, and very less people know that I worked 2 years in Hyderabad.
Yeah.
So from there I have learned, picked Telugu in L&T Metro rail project. So Hyderabad is a familiar place for me.
Wow, great. From civil engineer to as an actor.
Yeah.
How you enjoy this transition in the life?
This transition was very unexpected. Like I never thought about it. It just happened like one day in my job. I was like, I cannot do this for whole year. I mean whole life. So I'm enjoying my job also, but I was like, this cannot be my life. I felt that way. So I always had an inclination toward arts. I used to watch plays, movies and everything, and I used to do mimicry at my home, of my relatives, my family member. I am from a joint family, Jain Marwadi family. So we live with 20 people.
Oh my God.
So there's a lot of characters there.
Yes.
So from there I was like, let's do something in arts field. So I joined theatre while doing my job, while building your Hyderabad Metro.
Wow.
In the daytime, in the night time I used to go for rehearsals.
Yes.
Stage drama rehearsals, wow, with Samahara and Sutradhar of local theatre group. From there it started, and somebody saw me doing a play and they picked me. Actually I never wanted to come to films actively.
Okay.
I wanted, but I never tried. I was like, ठीक है चलने दो, थिएटर चल रहा है, जॉब चल रही है, स्टैंड अप कॉमेडी शुरू कर दिया था तो मजा आ रहा है.
Yes.
तो somebody from Gudachari team, they saw me, Rajiv Bharadwaj, the executive producer उसका, तो उसने मुझे देखा एक प्ले में, लामाकान उनके एक जगह है बंजारा हिल्स में. तो he called me for a character and I didn't know, like okay, I went and I did a 5-minute role in Gudachari. It took 2 years and you will not recognize me from Gudachari and now, because Gudachari mein I had all hair.
Yes.
And I was 92 kgs.
Yeah.
Bulky. Good Marwadi पेट वाला आदमी था मैं. So yeah, that was my first film, Gudachari.
Yes.
A lot of people don't know.
Yeah. But you are one of the rarest person. Off screen కి ఆన్ స్క్రీన్ కి చాలా టూ మచ్ డిఫరెన్స్ అనేది మీ క్యారెక్టర్లో కనబడుతూ ఉంటుంది. ద వే యూ బిహేవ్, ద వే యూ టాక్, ఇవన్నీ కూడా. బట్ జనాలు చాలా ఫాస్ట్గా మీతో మింగిల్ అయిపోతూ ఉంటారుగా ఈ విధంగా చూసుకుంటే?
అవును, అది నార్మల్ లైఫ్లో నేను చాలా ఫ్రెండ్లీగా ఉన్నాను. ఇలాగా స్టాండప్ కమెడియన్ కూడా ఉన్నాను కదా. సో జస్ట్ ఫన్, జస్ట్ టాకింగ్, యానిమేషన్ ఆల్ ద టైమ్. బట్ లైక్ ఐ రిమెంబర్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఐ డిడ్ యశోదా ఫిల్మ్, there I played the villain, sleazy character who harasses Samantha and everything. So my uncle saw the film and he called me and he was angry. I thought you're a good guy. हाउ आर यू बिहेविंग विद अ गर्ल, ऐसा लॉलीपॉप खा के कोई लड़की को छेड़ता है क्या, ये क्या तरीका है करके. ही कॉल्ड माय फादर एंड ही इज लाइक, ये आपका बेटा क्यों कर रहा है, क्या मजबूरी है, व्हाट इज सो नीड टू डू दीस कैरेक्टर्स. सो आई वाज लाइक ओके, इट्स अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट. कि उनको इतना खराब लगा. एंड ही वाज लाइक, ये लड़का तो मेरे साथ तीर्थ गया था, गुजरात राजस्थान तीर्थ गया था, इतना सेवा किया मेरा, यहाँ पे लड़की को छेड़ रहा है. तो 2 दिन मेरे से बात नहीं किए वो.
What a great moments.
Yeah, it was like कि चलो it's a compliment only. तो he asked me one question.
Okay.
कि he's like कि ये ऊपर ऊपर से तू किया ना. मैं बोला हाँ, और कैसे करूँगा. नहीं तू वो जो किया तेरे अंदर भी चल रहा था ना, तू सोच रहा था ना. बोला नहीं यार, आप मतलब they have very people who are not from film
Yeah.
industry, they have very innocent questions.
Yes,
They don't
sensitive.
know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great. But at the time of the Samahara theatre's play,
Yeah.
at the first theatre play, I think that you are too nervous and you couldn't took breathe also, right? You still remember that?
How do you know?
Yeah. But from that stage to now you are a stand-up comedian and you entertain a lot of people. How this transition happens?
But I want to ask, how do you know that personal moment that happened with me just before the play?
Like a journalist thinks,
No,
right?
you did good research. Because just before the show at Lama Khan, I did a play called Court Martial.
Yeah, court martial, right?
There, just before the show, I was in the washroom for 20 minutes. I was not coming out. My co-actor, like, he was knocking, कि play शुरू हो रहा है, play is about to start, come, it's okay. Everyone goes through this. I came out and I sat on stage, and for the first 25 minutes in the play, I have no lines. After 25 minutes, my line comes. So all those 25 minutes, I am just remembering मेरा first line क्या है, भूल ना जाऊँ. The moment I said the first line, all tension was released. So from there, things happened. I never planned things in life. I never planned to become a civil engineer. I got metallurgy engineering.
Oh.
I am from NIT. I passed AIEEE and went to NIT with metallurgy engineering. I never planned to become a civil engineer. It happened that I shifted to civil, and then it happened that I started theatre and stand-up, and then the transition happened automatically. I never thought about it. It just, whatever I was enjoying in life, I was just following it, doing it. I left my job with 1 day notice.
Oh.
Like, that was also not planned. Morning I got a transfer order to go to Rajasthan to build railway tracks there. And evening I was like, ki if I go to Rajasthan, I cannot do theatre, I cannot do stand-up, I cannot do all those things. I requested them कि मुझे मुंबई भेज दो, दिल्ली भेज दो, बैंगलोर भेज दो, चेन्नई भेज दो, so that मैं connected रहूँगा आर्ट से, क्योंकि यहाँ पे भी होता रहता है ना.
Yes.
तो they are like, नहीं, उधर कोई वैकेंसी नहीं है. So I was like, ठीक है, I will leave the job. Just like that. And मैं घर पे भी नहीं बताया था कि मैं जॉब छोड़ दिया. And then I was figuring it out, यार मैं क्या कर दिया ये. So it was always very impulsive decisions in life.
But మీ original name Mayank Parak hai na?
Mayank Parak.
Yes, but you have one nickname, you know that? Mr. Harvey.
Mr.
Harvey.
Oh, oh my God.
Literally.
Steve Harvey.
Yes.
Yeah. It became a thing after a small character I
Srikanth.
played in Srikanth movie
Yes,
with Rajkumar.
Haldiram's Border.
Yeah. Oh my God. Lot of memes have
Yeah.
been traveled. Ki he's our Indian Steve Harvey. Even after Wild Dog, they have put 2 photos. One my photo, right besides me, Will Smith.
Wow.
तो उसमें लिखा था Pro Max and Light version. ऐसा करके. तो yeah.
Great. But I love the transition because when అంటే గామి నేను చూస్తున్నప్పుడు నిజంగా లిటరల్లీ భయపడ్డాను. నీలాంటి ఒక క్యారెక్టర్ నిజంగా రియల్ లైఫ్లో ఉంటే ఎంత భయపెడతారు. ఫ్రమ్ దట్ స్టేజ్ టు శ్రీకాంత్లో ఒక్కసారి దట్ సెన్సిటివ్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ క్యారెక్టర్ రియల్లీ యాజ్ ఏ తెలుగు ఆడియన్స్ ఐ రియల్లీ లవ్ దట్. బట్ యాజ్ అన్ యాక్టర్ మీరెంత ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తుంటారు అలాంటి వాటిని?
Gami came to me during Wild Dog. That time, 2019, 2020. That time we started shooting. And when I started shooting, I was like, this is going to be very tough because the director was so particular about every moment, every dialogue. I did dubbing 6 times for that film.
Oh my God.
एक लाइन के लिए चेंज करने के लिए हम जाते थे डबिंग करने के लिए, because he was so particular about that. And Hamesha used to ask when the film will release, when the film will release. And he used to do so much of rehearsals with us. And while playing that, they have built a big set in Kompally, where my scenes happened, that prison hospital thing. They built a huge set, and I used to put a lens in one eye. And my eyes are very sensitive. Like if you just bring your finger near my eyes, no, my eyes will start watering. It's so sensitive. तो कई बार तो ऐसा हुआ था शूट में, I used to do this during the shot. I used to do this. I used to open my eye, and the lens is lost somewhere. In mid shot, you can see the lens is coming in between my eye. So उसकी वजह से कई बार रीटेक हुआ. तो physically Gami was exhausting, and mentally also it was exhausting because the character was so dark. It was, but मेरा theater training इतना अच्छा था. I was able to switch off and switch on. The moment I'm out of the set, I don't think about character. It doesn't affect me. But it was a very hard character to portray, to do. But मेरे साथ ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं 4-4 दिन 5-5 दिन तक अरे मैं कैरेक्टर में घुस गया हूँ, कैरेक्टर के बारे में ही सोच रहा हूँ, इतना मुश्किल जैसे लग गया मेरे को कैरेक्टर से बाहर आने में. कुछ नहीं है, ये सब फालतू की बातें हैं. ये सब नहीं होता है. ठीक है, आप इतना भी नहीं होता कि बिकॉज यू शुड नो यू आर एक्टिंग. इट्स एन एक्ट. You don't become the character. You portray the character. तो वो clarity रहेगा. मुश्किल था काम. But I was very much able to do switch off, switch on.
Great quality. But I have always wondered that అంటే ఎవరైనా థియేటర్స్ ప్లే చేస్తూ ఉంటే వాళ్ళు యాక్టర్గా షైన్ అవుతారా లేకపోతే డెవలప్ అవుతారా బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ద థియేటర్ ప్లేస్ ఆర్ థియేటర్ క్లాసెస్? What is the main advantage?
The main advantage of doing theater for an actor is rehearsals. They do a lot of rehearsals. So in the films, what happens is sometimes they're so quick. That's an emergency situation. Like there are films I did where the lines they are giving me lines then and there. अरे हिंदी रहता तो मैं improvise कर लेता तुरंत. तेलुगु में I have to first learn the language and then remember the lines and the meaning. By the time I understand the meaning, scene is over. So 2 days after the shoot I was like, अरे वो लाइन को तो वैसे बोलना था, मैं ऐसा बोल दिया उस चीज़ को. तो sometimes it's so quick. So the rehearsal in theater, it helps in the films because हम लोग कोई एक play करते हैं ना theater में, तो 2 months 3 months we do rehearsals so that we get into character, we get into the flow and the zone, everything, and then we perform. So character development बहुत अच्छा होता है आपका theater में because daily you're reading the script. Daily you're doing the dialogues, everything. So I think the rehearsal is something which theatre gives you.
Yes, great. But అంటే there is a lot of different actors తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీలో ఉన్నారు. కొంతమంది ఓన్లీ బిగ్ ఫిల్మ్స్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తుంటారు, కొంతమంది స్మాల్ ఫిల్మ్స్ చేస్తూ వెళ్తుంటారు. బట్ యు ఆర్ ద వన్ పర్సన్, వన్ సైడ్ స్మాల్ ఫిల్మ్స్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తూ మరో పక్క బిగ్ ఫిల్మ్స్ కూడా చేసేస్తూ ఉంటారు. బట్ యాజ్ అన్ యాక్టర్ ఎక్కడ మీకు ఫుల్ సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్ కానీ దట్ కంఫర్ట్ లెవెల్స్ కానీ యాక్టర్గా దట్ అంటే ఇవన్నీ ప్రొఫెషన్కి సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్ ఇవన్నీ ఎక్కడ వస్తూ ఉంటాయి మీకు?
I don't see it as a 5 crore film or 40 crore film or Swayambhu 80 crore film or Yashoda 30 crore film. I don't see like that. I see what is my character doing. Am I contributing to the main story? My character is doing something or it's just on the background. So I check कि मेरा character exciting है कि नहीं. Then I don't see the budget of the film. लाइक मेरे को बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि आप पुष्पा में ट्राई क्यों नहीं करते, या आप देवरा में, या आप प्रभास जी की फिल्मों में, बड़े बड़े हीरो की फिल्मों में ट्राई क्यों नहीं करते. आई वाज लाइक जब वो लोग को लगेगा दे विल कॉल मी. मैंने इतना काम किया हुआ है ना, जब उनको लगेगा दे विल कॉल मी और मुझे अच्छा लगे तो बिल्कुल मैं करूँगा. आई डिड भगवंत केसरी. भगवंत केसरी टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट इट वाज अ वेरी स्मॉल कैरेक्टर बट आई डिड इट बिकॉज इट्स अ बिग फिल्म विथ बालाकृष्ण जी. तो आई वाज लाइक इसको करना चाहिए. सो आई चूज लाइक दैट. आई डोंट सी कि 5 सीन्स और 50 सीन्स. आई सी ये मुझे जो अच्छा लग गया मैं कर लेता हूँ. अभी वो चाहे 2 करोड़, अभी मैं रिसेंटली नेल्लोर में शूट कर रहा था. इट्स अ वेरी स्मॉल फिल्म लाइक 3 crore film, 4 crore film. And Goparaju Garu is there. Ajay Ghosh Garu is there in that film. But it's a very small film. We finished the film in 27 days, one schedule. So उसमें मुझे मेरा कैरेक्टर बहुत अच्छा लगा. So I did that film. And on the other hand, I'm doing Swayambhu, Wild Dog, Yashoda, Gami, Gangs of Godavari, all big budget, big production houses. But I'm doing this also just about what I like to do. As simple as that.
ఒక సైడ్ ఏమో చాలా బిగ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఫిల్మ్స్ ఇలా చేస్తూనే మరో పక్క పరంపర దయ వెబ్ సిరీసెస్లో కూడా చాలా బిగ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్
Web
ఫిల్మ్
series
బిగ్ వెబ్ సిరీస్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో హౌ ఇస్ దిస్ ట్రాన్సిషన్ ఫ్రమ్ ద వెబ్ సిరీస్ టు సినిమా? ఇస్ దర్ ఎనీ డిఫరెంట్ వర్కింగ్ స్పేస్?
The writing style and the character development is different in web series and in films.
Okay.
Because in film you just have 2 hours. उसमें आपको सारे कैरेक्टर्स को दिखाना होता है तो कई बार मिस हो जाता है. But in web series you have episodes. You have 6-7 hours of content. So character development और अच्छे से होता है, आपके ज़्यादा scenes होते हैं, आपको perform करने के लिए ज़्यादा time मिलता है. So I love doing web series because I can do more things. You know, in a film you have 5 to 7 good scenes if you have good scenes. But in web series you have 20 scenes, 15 scenes. And in Daya I really enjoyed doing Daya. It was one of the very generally मुझे जो villain के roles मिलते हैं,
యా
Daya में it was a very positive and very soft character था. मेरी personality देख के लोग बोलते हैं it's a very hard, very harsh, raw personality. Daya was very opposite. Parampara is a very जेल का गुंडा, किसी को भी मारेगा, ड्रग्स बेच रहा है, वो सब चीज़ें कर रहा है. And then there's a very small web series. I had a very small character in a web series. I don't know if you have seen Modern Love on Amazon Prime.
యా యా
Hyderabad.
ఐ నో మోడల్ లవ్స్ హైదరాబాద్.
Modern Love Hyderabad. I did an episode with Revati ji and Nitya Menon.
యా
Nagesh Kukuno directed. I just had 3 scenes in that. Auto wala named Hussain. It was such a sweet character. Like I was talking in this tone. हाँ माँ किधर जाना है? हाँ तो चलो ना. हुसैन का घर यही तो है. किधर है? People don't expect me doing this.
యా యా
I didn't know that became a huge. That gave me huge mileage because people are like, अरे ये इतना soft चीज भी कर रहा है. ऐसा. तो I love web series space because I get to do different things in web series. Especially, I don't know if you have seen Puli Meka.
యా యా వి నో దట్ లావణ్య త్రిపాఠి గారు అండ్ ఆది గారు.
Yeah.
యా
So Puli Meka
What
I
an
enjoyed.
interesting story also.
Puli Meka I enjoyed.
ఎస్
So I love web series on new story. Like we're talking no before the interview कि commercial space
Yeah.
में नया कुछ नहीं आ रहा है.
ఎస్
वही टेम्पलेट की फिल्में आ रही है. People want to see commercial but different. So this web zone is giving different characters, different story, different approach, and people are loving it also. People are watching web shows.
యా గ్రేట్. బట్ యాజ్ అన్ యాక్టర్గా ఒక సైడ్ మీరు డిఫరెంట్ రోల్స్ చేస్తూ మమ్మల్ని ఎంటర్టైన్ చేస్తున్నారు, అండ్ అదర్ సైడ్ ఒక స్టాండప్ కామెడీ అంటూ
Yeah.
ఒక కామెడీ రైటింగ్ కానీ ఇన్స్టెంట్ కామెడీ టైమింగ్ కానీ ద లాట్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ ఎంటర్టైన్ చేయడం కానీ. బట్ వై ఒక్క డైరెక్టర్ కూడా మయాంక్ గారిలో ఈ టైమింగ్ని కానీ ఈ రైటింగ్ని కానీ ఎందుకు యూస్ చేసుకోవట్లేదు టిల్ ద డేట్? ఒక యాక్టర్గా మీకేమైనా క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ ఉందా?
I had that question, but I understood their point of view also. Like I discussed this with my Wild Dog director. तो उसने बोला कि for doing comedy you need to have a command in the language.
ఓకే
जैसे मैं हिंदी में कॉमेडी और इंग्लिश में कॉमेडी यूं कर सकता हूँ,
ఎస్
बट तेलुगु में कॉमेडी करने के लिए वो कमांड चाहिए तेलुगु लैंग्वेज में.
యా
तो वो कॉमेडी टाइमिंग बहुत अच्छे से बैठेगी.
ఎస్ ఎస్
तो 1-2 साल शायद और लगे, मुझे पर्सनली ऐसा लगता है.
Yes.
बट कराने वाले डायरेक्टर करा भी सकते हैं इफ दे वांट, दे कैन. बट मुझे ऐसा लगता है अगर 1 साल और मैं तेलुगु लैंग्वेज को और अच्छे से
Yeah.
सीखूं, so I can do comedy also. The moment I start improvising on Telugu, in Telugu, I think that day I can do comedies in Telugu also. That's what I feel.
గ్రేట్. బట్ నేను ఒక విషయంలో చాలా బ్యాడ్గా ఫీల్ అవుతుంది ఏంటంటే యాజ్ ఎ తెలుగు పీపుల్ మాకు స్టాండప్ కామెడీ కావాలంటే ఇంగ్లీష్లోని హిందీలోనే చూడాల్సి వస్తుంది. లైక్ మీరు కానీ రోహిత్ కానీ రాజశేఖర్ గారు కానీ
Yeah.
వీళ్ళు లిటరలీ ఎంజాయ్డ్. బట్ ఎందుకు తెలుగులో స్టాండప్ కామెడీ వర్కౌట్ అవ్వట్లేదు? ఇప్పుడు మీరు చెప్పినట్టే తెలుగులో చాలామందికి కమాండ్ ఉండొచ్చు, బట్ వై తెలుగు స్టాండప్ కామెడీ?
I think people should do Telugu stand-up comedy. I think because regional market is very strong, and if you know, people of Telugu state, they live all over the world. There's a huge market, like in US. There's literally all Telugu people are just
Yeah.
there. People have started doing
Yes.
Telugu stand-up here, but audience have seen lot of Jabardast Telugu and TV Telugu. So we have to teach them. We have to tell them कि there's this thing of live stand-up comedy. You should come.
Yes.
There are a lot of comedians who do Telugu comedy.
Yeah.
In even ETV started.
Yes, the Jabardast.
Yeah.
And also stand-up comedy also.
Stand-up comedy only I'm saying. ETV started doing stand-up comedy
Yeah.
in their channel. Silly South comedy. There are some channels I don't know the name. तो अभी लोगों को धीरे धीरे समझ में आ रहा है, अभी वो लोग कर रहे हैं. अब मैं तो हमेशा ये समझता हूँ कि जितना रीजनल लैंग्वेज में आप करोगे उतनी आपकी ऑडियंस बढ़ेगी, क्योंकि इंग्लिश एवरीवन स्पीक्स एंड देयर इज अ लिमिट. विद इंग्लिश यू कैन गो टू हैदराबाद, अमरावती और विजयवाड़ा. यू कैन नॉट गो टू और छोटे छोटे जो शहर हैं वहाँ आप तेलुगु कॉमेडी लेके जाओगे तो दोज ऑडियंस विल आल्सो जॉइन. So I feel local language like Tamil people, they are doing stand-up comedy.
Yeah.
Crazy. US, UK, Australia, New Zealand, everywhere they are doing.
Yes.
So they have realized that market. I think it's just a matter of time. Telugu people are also in that direction.
Yes.
And I want people from Telugu state to do stand-up comedy because that will bring more audience to the entertainment industry.
Great. But as an audience, we love your trio. Rohit, Rajshekhar, and you.
Rohit Swain,
Rohit Swain and Rajshekhar Mamidana and you.
Yeah.
Literally, how's your journey and how's the combination between you three?
We just met. I just 2015 या 2016 में I went to, जब मेरा stand up में interest जागा, so I just went to watch their show.
Okay.
In Lama Khan, Rajshekhar Mamidana and Rohit Swain and other Sai Kiran.
Yeah.
They were performing. So I just went, I saw, I loved it, I met them. और उसके बाद से on and off I started doing comedy with them.
Okay.
It just 2 years back, organically during COVID, we started doing comedy on Zoom calls. People used to buy tickets on Zoom. They used to come.
Beautiful.
They used to watch.
Wow.
तो उधर से भी started and वहाँ से ग्रुप बन गया हमारा. And then when COVID के बाद जब things started coming to normal, we were like, let's try doing it live.
Yes.
So we started doing it and we enjoyed each other's chemistry and company, and people also started loving it. So every month we do shows whenever I'm in Hyderabad. Yeah.
Great, super. But అంటే ప్రతి పీపుల్లోని ద లాఫింగ్ ఆ లాఫింగ్ అనేది ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి కావాలి, ద లాఫ్టర్ స్ట్రెస్ బస్టర్గా.
Correct.
బట్ మీరు చాలామందిని నవ్విస్తూ ఉంటారు కాబట్టి అసలు ఇప్పుడున్న జనరేషన్లో ఆ లాఫర్ అనేది ఎంత న్యాచురల్గా ఎంత ఆర్గానిక్గా ఉంది అసలు.
If they feel funny, they will laugh, no? अगर उनको कुछ चीज़ funny लग रहा है, तो they will laugh. Like we make them laugh, but we also need laughter.
Yes.
So we also watch things, fellow comedians, Telugu films or other films like Stree 2.
Wow.
So we also watch. But nowadays, अभी का जो generation है, the Gen Z or whatever we call them, they love stand-up. They are going to live events a lot. They are getting a lot of audience nowadays because they are well-versed now with the new culture. They are coming with their friends. They are bringing their parents. कि चलो आपको कॉमेडी दिखाते हैं करके. So उनको पता है, they are enjoying this thing. तो they have this thing. मूवी भी देखना है, पर स्टैंड अप को भी जाना है. लाइव म्यूजिक कॉन्सर्ट्स, उसमें भी बहुत लोग जाते हैं देखने. तो लाइव इवेंट्स का कल्चर बहुत बढ़ गया है एंड पीपल कम, दे एंजॉय. एंड इफ दे डोंट एंजॉय, दे जस्ट सिट लाइक दिस, लाइक हाउ यू आर सिटिंग. ओके, oh you will make me laugh. Okay, try. Even I feel like laughing, I'll not laugh. I'll go home and laugh.
Great.
So sometimes the audience is like, they think कि हम तो नहीं हंसेंगे, हम तो कॉमेडियन का आज शो खराब करके जाएंगे. अभी उसमें आप क्या कर सकते हो? तो ऐसे भी सिचुएशन होता है.
గ్రేట్ సూపర్. అండ్ యాజ్ ఎ స్టాండప్ కమెడియన్గా ఈ ఇన్స్టెంట్ కామెడీ టైమింగ్ ఉంటుంది కదా మీ దగ్గర, సో దాన్ని ఎప్పుడైనా ఇంప్రవైజేషన్లో యూస్ చేసుకున్నారా?
అవును,
ద డైలాగ్స్లోని.
అవును. So most of the thing is written.
Okay.
Most of the thing, 80 to 90%, all the jokes are written.
Wow.
And tested multiple times before we do shows. उसके बीच में now you have audience. अब audience कुछ भी बोल रहा है बीच में, they are talking, then you have to reply back also. You have to make them silent also. Something is happening which is beyond your control, but you have to include that and make a punchline out of it.
Yes.
So that spontaneity you need. So 80% to 90% is your scripted jokes. 10-20% is flexible as per the venue. And every show is different.
Okay.
If I'm doing a show here, I will joke about plants and soil and all these things. If I'm doing show at a pub, I will make jokes about apart from my script. I will make jokes about that bartender. He's disturbing the show. Order आ रहा है बीच में.
Okay.
So as per the situation, you have to tweak. You have to little change and address the situation there.
Wow. But as a stand-up comedian, you have one versatility quality. As an audience, I observe that because as a stand-up comedian, you make a jokes on your the hometown of Chhattisgarh
Yeah.
and about your movies. Was it pro or con, according to you?
अभी तो मैं तो सोचा था प्रो होगा, बट मेरे नाम पे FIR है तो छत्तीसगढ़ के बारे में मैंने जोक कर दिया था.
I watched.
You saw that. So the one political party which I will not name, that went to police station and they said कि ये छत्तीसगढ़ के बारे में ऐसा बोल रहा है, जबकि वो पूरा जोक सुने नहीं ढंग से. उसमें it was a sarcasm. I was saying छत्तीसगढ़ is a good place,
Yes.
but they are like कि नहीं ये तो गाली दे रहा है, जहाँ का है उसी को गाली दे रहा है. तो मैं तो एज अ प्रो बोल रहा था कि मैं छत्तीसगढ़ के बारे में, होम टाउन के बारे में, मैं मारवाड़ी हूँ उसके बारे में बोलूंगा तो लोग कनेक्ट होंगे. कनेक्ट हुए,
Yes.
पर मेरे को मारने के लिए कनेक्ट हुए. तो रात रात को मेरे को अननोन नंबर से कॉल्स आते थे
Yeah.
कि तेरा घर का एड्रेस जानते हैं, विल रीच देयर, विल क्रिएट अ सीन. देन पुलिस में चले गए, दे फाइल्ड FIR. देन आई स्पोक टू अदर कॉमेडियंस एंड आई स्पोक दिस इशू विद JD सर
Oh.
ऑफ दया. उस समय
Yeah,
हो रहा
yeah.
था दया में. मैं JD सर को बताया तो JD सर बोले अरे अभी तो शुरुआत है, पहली FIR हुई है, चिल कर, अभी तो लंबा करियर है, अभी आदत डाल ले ये सब चीज. बोला अरे बाप रे. So ये सब होता रहता है यार. As long as intention is good, I don't want to hurt anyone.
Yes.
I just want to make jokes.
Yes.
I just want to make them laugh. उससे ऊपर मेरे को कोई एजेंडा नहीं करना है, कुछ मैसेज नहीं देना है, बस हंसाना है. That's it.
Great quality. But now you are doing a great films in the Telugu industry.
Yeah.
But as an actor, you can satisfy at some moments. But as a large family of your family, how they felt now by looking you?
Now they are happy.
Okay.
Initially they were very scared
Okay.
when I left my job because I come from a Marwadi business family.
Yeah.
तो हमारे पूरे generations में कोई भी इस फील्ड में आया नहीं है, एक्टिंग की फील्ड में. So they don't know what is happening. And for the 3 years जब मैं मुंबई में रह रहा था, ना जॉब है, ना स्टैंड अप से पैसा आ रहा है, ना फिल्में हैं, कुछ भी नहीं है. So they were like यार क्या कर रहा है अपनी लाइफ का.
Yeah.
एंड 2 साल तक कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा था. स्टैंड अप से आई वाज अर्निंग धीरे धीरे. Suddenly one day Wild Dog came to me
Yeah.
and I lost 12 kgs
Wow.
for Wild Dog. I transformed myself and it gave me a lot of things. It gave me all the films. Wild Dog gave me my Telugu career.
Yes.
Whatever films I did after Wild Dog, some 9-10 films I did, 3-4 web series I
Yes.
did. It's all because of Wild Dog. It's all because of Matty Entertainment. It's all because of the director.
Yeah.
And so I'm very grateful to Telugu audience. मतलब the way they have accepted me, a non-Telugu speaker.
Yeah.
उन्होंने मुझे बोला यार तू बाहर का है, तेरे को तेलुगु नहीं आता, तू हिंदी का है, but we like you. We want to see you in films. We will give you films. The industry is giving me films. So I made a promise कि आप लोग मेरे लिए इतना कर रहे हो, I will make sure I learn the language. So that's why I'm learning the language and I'm making sure I want to dub. And 80% of the 90% of the film I am dubbing until and unless they want some different slang like Godavari slang.
Yeah. A
एकदम-
different accent.
हाँ, only in those films I am not dubbing. Otherwise I have dubbed for all my projects.
Super. But I saw a few photos of with your hair.
हाँ.
But is there any special reason or is there any concern? What was the backstory of without any hair? You always look with a bald.
हाँ, तो I started losing my hair when I used to work for L&T Metro Rail. 12 hours helmet, धूल, ना सोने का टाइम, ना खाने का टाइम, रात भर काम हो रहा है, फिर एक्सीडेंट्स हो रहे हैं. It was a very high stressful job and dust and sweat. It took a toll on my health and the hair, I lost the hair.
Yeah.
And if you see Lakho mein ek web series and Gudachari,
Yeah.
I acted with hair. Whatever hair was left, I acted with it. But then one day I was like, ये it's making me look aged. तो I was like कि यार पूरा निकाल के देखते हैं. मैंने सोचा ये बहुत हो गया, मेरे को ये छुपाना नहीं है, ये आइलैंड है. जो ऐसा नहीं करते आपका इधर से बाल जा रहा है तो इधर से लंबा करके आप छुपा लेते हो और ऐसे घूमते हो पूरे टाइम, किसी को कुछ नहीं दिखेगा, और पीछे से एक दोस्त आ जाता है, मैं कहा यार तू क्यों देख लिया यार पीछे से, तो वो हमेशा लगता था। तो मैं बोला यार ये इनसिक्योरिटी में जीना ही नहीं है। एक दिन मैंने सलून में गया, मैं कहा पूरा शेव कर देखते हैं कैसा दिखता है। पहला 1 महीना तो आया हो जाए यार ये तो बड़ा खराब लग रहा है यार, ये तो शाकाल लग रहा है, एकदम अमरीश पुरी टाइप का विलन लग रहा है। और उस समय तो मैं जस्ट शुरू किया था फिल्मों में, तो यार क्या करूं, बट धीरे धीरे आई एक्सेप्टेड इट एंड नाउ आई एम ओके विद इट, आई एम लविंग इट एंड आई एम गेटिंग रोल्स, टच वुड, थैंक्स टू तेलुगु इंडस्ट्री। आई जस्ट डिड अ हिंदी फिल्म आल्सो, तो आई एम happy with my look, I have no problems now.
Great. But is there any special moments with Nag sir or Samantha ma'am during the shooting of Yashoda or Wild Dog?
With Wild Dog, I remember last day of shoot, Nag sir invited everyone for a dinner.
Wow.
Just with him. In Kullu Manali. In 0 degrees temperature. उन्होंने अपने होटल में मुझे, अली रज़ा को, सयमी को और 1-2 और एक्टर्स से, प्रदीप एंड प्रकाश, हम सब गए और नाग सर के साथ डिनर किए। ही इनवाइटेड अस एंड ही टोल्ड कि पिछले 1 साल में आई हैड लॉट ऑफ फन, वी शेयर्ड लॉट ऑफ शूट का स्टोरी। एंड आई रिमेंबर द फर्स्ट डे, जो मैं इंटरव्यू पे भी बोलता हूँ वाइल्ड डॉग के, कि फर्स्ट डे जब वो आए मेरा गन लॉक हो गया था नर्वसनेस में। आई वाज लाइक यार ये कैसे चलाऊँ मैं, नाग सर के साथ खड़े होना ही बहुत बड़ी बात थी। तो इट वॉज वेरी ग्रेशियस ऑफ हिम कि ही कॉल्ड अस, उनको ज़रूरत नहीं थी, उन्होंने हमको बुलाया, बच्चे की तरह ट्रीट किया पूरे सेट पे, तो बहुत बहुत मज़ेदार था। एंड इवन समांता इन यशोदा, फाइट सीक्वेंस था मेरा और समांता का 1-on-1 6 मिनट एंड माय कैरेक्टर वाज वेरी स्लीजी, जो लड़कियों को छेड़ता है। तो 3 दिन चला वो फाइट सीक्वेंस। 3 दिन के बाद समांता ने मुझे बोला कि आई डिडंट फील अनसेफ शूटिंग विथ यू, इतना मुश्किल सीन्स जहाँ पे यू हैव टू टच मी एवरीवेयर, thank you for being a gentleman. So that is a very big compliment for me as an actor and as a person, कि an actress who is so big and it's a very not comfortable scene we are shooting, उसके बाद ऐसा compliment देना कि मैंने उसे बुरा feel नहीं कराया and she was comfortable with me shooting basically. So that is a very big compliment. So yeah, those are the good moments, like remember जो है मुझे याद है।
Yes. So what about your future projects?
Future projects, एक बड़ा interesting project I am doing. It's called Swayambhu with Nikhil Siddharth, and I am doing one film with Dr. Rajshekhar sir. That is a very interesting film. वो 2 फिल्म है। फिर एक जो मैंने बताया नेल्लोर में शूट करके आए हैं। It's a small budget film and I had a lot of fun. वो एक आ रही है और एक और फिल्म I am going to start. Again, it's a small budget film. And I'll do that film. It will start in October. Outdoor shoot again.
Wow.
तो I'm going there. I'm having fun in Telugu industry. बहुत मजा आ रहा है। तो अभी कम कर रहा हूँ थोड़ा काम, थोड़ा अभी इंडस्ट्री भी हमारा टाइम लेके आराम से सोच समझ के फिल्में बना रही है, ज़्यादा फिल्में भी नहीं बन रही है। तो everyone is gauging कि क्या सीन है, बिजनेस क्या है, फिल्म कैसे चल रही है, नहीं चल रही है। So it's a little sit back, observe and start a film वाला phase. तो सब थोड़ा कम काम कर रहे हैं अभी। ठीक है, आई एम एंजॉयिंग दिस प्लेस आल्सो, दिस स्पेस आल्सो।
थैंक यू सो मच।